So I think the big nature about forecasting maintenance and why it's important to investors is really twofold. One, if you're able to forecast maintenance, inevitably you're doing preventative, which means it's lower cost, and you're able to anticipate the repairs. You're able to budget for it, plan for it. You're not freaked out because you had to replace that air conditioner. You knew it was coming 2 years before. And so, one, you're able to reduce it because you can get ahead of it and control the cost. One. And we've seen plenty of data that ultimately demonstrate that there's a strong correlation to the amount of maintenance spend against the rent roll and retention for a property management company. So that's one. The second one is actually around predictable income. If we see all the products that roll out as a consumer in general is all about creating predictable income, predictable expenses. We see about it insurance, car warranties, and even though those aren't super great examples, the ability as somebody to actually have a predictable income every month is super appealing. Even if it's not as much as you would if perhaps you pay the gambit, but most people are willing to go towards, if I put my money in here, I know I'm going to get a predictable return every single month. They will put their money there as a safe return on the money that they're investing.